All right, everyone, let's talk New Jersey real estate. It's May 2025, and if you're thinking about buying or selling in the Garden State, you need to know the score. New Jersey has always been a hot spot. Why? Location, location, location. You're close to New York City, Philadelphia, and you've got fantastic beaches and great schools. But great things often come with a competitive market. This year is no different. The market is dynamic, it's challenging, and it's definitely keeping us on our toes. You need to be smart. You need to be prepared. This isn't a market for the faint of heart, folks. Several big factors are stirring the pot in New Jersey's housing market right now. The overall economy is chugging along, but we're all watching those inflation numbers like hawks. Interest rates, well, they've been on a bit of a roller coaster, haven't they? They play a huge role in what buyers can afford. We're also still seeing some lingering effects from the pandemic. People want more space. They want home offices. These preferences are shaping demand in very specific ways across different parts of the state. Let's talk money, because that's what it all boils down to, right? The median sales price for a home in New Jersey is around $525,000. Some counties, like Bergen or Hudson, are higher, while others are more affordable. This figure gives you a good baseline. It reflects the continued desirability of living in New Jersey. Don't let it scare you, but do let it inform your budget. We're seeing a year-over-year increase of about 5%. This steady appreciation is a hallmark of a resilient market. While prices are holding strong, we are seeing a bit of a slowdown in the actual number of homes changing hands. Don't panic. This isn't a crash. It's more like the market is taking a breather after a very hectic run. Closed sales, meaning the final transactions, are down about 10% compared to this time last year. This means fewer homes were sold in the past month than in the same month in 2024. This is a significant shift, and it indicates that the higher interest rates and persistent affordability challenges are indeed having an impact on the volume of sales. Pending sales are also telling a similar story. These are homes that have a contract but haven't closed yet. They're a good indicator of where the market is headed in the next month or two. Pending sales in New Jersey are currently down around 8% year over year. This suggests that the trend of fewer closed sales is likely to continue in the near term. Buyers are being more cautious. Let's dig deeper into inventory because it's a huge piece of the puzzle. Right now, across New Jersey, we have approximately 30,000 active listings. That might sound like a lot, but when you spread it across the entire state and consider the demand, it's still relatively low by historical standards. We have seen a slight uptick in inventory compared to the rock bottom levels of a year or two ago, which is a small step in the right direction for buyers. However, we are far from a buyer's market. It's still very much a seller's game in most areas. A key metric we use to understand supply is months of supply. This tells us how long it would take to sell all currently listed homes if no new homes came on the market at the current pace of sales. Section 5. More bang for your buck. The rising cost per square foot. So, when we talk about home prices, the median sales price gives us one picture. But to really understand value, we also need to take a look at the median price per square foot. This metric, well, it tells you how much buyers are paying for each unit of space. In New Jersey, as of May 2025, the median price per square foot is approximately $275. This figure helps to normalize for differences in home sizes. A larger home will naturally cost more, but the price per square foot tells you if the underlying value of space itself is, increasing. And guess what? It is. The median price per square foot in New Jersey has seen a year-over-year increase of about 7%. Section 6. Unlocking home ownership. First-time buyer programs in New Jersey. Becoming a homeowner for the first time is a huge milestone. But let's be honest, it can be tough. Coming up with a down payment and navigating closing costs is a major hurdle, especially in a pricey state like New Jersey. But don't get discouraged. There's help out there. The state of New Jersey, through the New Jersey Housing and Mortgage Finance Agency, offers some fantastic programs designed specifically to give first-time homebuyers a leg up. These programs can make a real difference, turning the dream of homeownership into a reality. The NJHMFA is your go-to resource. They offer a suite of programs aimed at making homes more affordable. One of their flagship offerings is the Down Payment Assistance Program. This program can provide eligible first-time home buyers with up to $15,000 as an interest-free, forgivable loan to help with the down payment and closing costs. Imagine getting $15,000 to help you get into your first home. Section 7. Mortgage Mania decoding current rates and future trends. Let's talk mortgages. Interest rates are the talk of the town. They impact how much house you can afford. As of mid-May 2025, rates are still elevated. The Fed's efforts to tame inflation keep rates high. Borrowing is still expensive. Budgeting and pre-approval are critical. 30-year fixed rates hover around 6.8%. Rates are volatile, influenced by economic news. Down from highs of over 7.5%, but still significant. Fed policy and inflation outlook drive rates. Rates remain sensitive until inflation targets are met. Are you worried about navigating the ever-changing real estate market? Now, I've given you a lot of information today, and I hope it's been helpful. But here's a crucial point. The real estate market is incredibly dynamic. It's always changing. The numbers and trends we've discussed are a snapshot of what's happening in New Jersey as of May 2025. Think of it as a weather report. It's accurate for now, but conditions can shift. What's true today might be slightly different next month, and certainly next year. So, staying updated is absolutely key to making smart decisions in this fast-paced environment. Economic factors like job growth or a sudden change in inflation can impact the market quickly. Government policy shifts, whether at the federal or state level, can also play a role. And then there are always unforeseen events that can ripple through the economy and consequently the housing sector. Because of all these moving parts, the data on prices, sales, inventory, and mortgage rates can change. It's important to recognize this fluidity. Section 9. Your next move. Stay informed and get ahead. So there you have it, a deep dive into the New Jersey housing market for 2025. We've covered a lot of ground, from median prices and sales trends to inventory levels and those crucial mortgage rates. The key takeaway is this: the New Jersey market is complex, it's competitive, but it's absolutely navigable if you arm yourself with the right information and a smart strategy. It's not a time to be passive. It's a time to be proactive and well prepared. Whether you're looking to buy your first home, sell your current one, or invest in property. Knowledge truly is power in the world of real estate. The more you understand about current trends, market dynamics, and the resources available to you, the more confident and successful you'll be. Keep reading articles like this one. Follow local market reports. Pay attention to economic news that could impact housing.